SRPT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday and onward is Sarepta Therapeutic stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1 minute video. So ultimately, as we're sitting at 1708, I had a pretty decent supply zone, which I'm gonna kind of update now. I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and all documented, so I have seen what's genuinely working for me and what's not. And with SRPT, I'm here to tell you that it's still not bullish for me. For me to be bullish in this, at least I must see breaks above 2282, and we're not even close to that. I mean, actually speaking, in this case, if there is a double break beneath these lows, then I'm obviously looking to sell. You know, and people are really gonna overcomplicate it. In SRPT, got about 15 results here. So that's that. You know, if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated.